5-6 for 4. The skipper, Sarfraz Ahmed. It's after the middle best score of 76 not out in T20 internationals. Have a look at that attempted ram shot. It doesn't quite get the angle of the bat, and it slows it all down.
Much improved bowling performance from the World 11 bowlers, especially Tashara Pereira, who picked up his first wicket just now. But he's been on target. He didn't really bowl at those deliveries which we saw yesterday on the onside. Maybe it was just a new ball, he couldn't really control it. But yeah, today he was much better.
Gone. Picks them